Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to send an email to all your contacts in Outlook at once. This is incredibly useful when you need to send announcements, newsletters, or updates to everyone in your contact list without having to manually add each person individually. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, log into your account and give it a moment to fully load in all your emails and data. It's important to ensure everything is synced before moving forward. Once your email has loaded, we need to navigate to your Contacts menu. Look toward the bottom left part of your screen where you'll see several icons. Find the one that looks like two people. This is your Contacts icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your Contacts menu where you can view and manage all the people in your address book. Now here's the key step. Before we can send an email to everyone, we need to consolidate all your contacts into a single group. From your Contacts menu, click on the New Contact Group button. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From here, select from Outlook Contacts. This opens a new contact group window where you can add members. You'll now see a list of all your contacts. To select everyone at once, click on the first contact, then hold down your Shift key and click on the last contact. This highlights every contact in your list. Once they're all selected, click on the Members button. This action adds every selected contact to your new group. When you see them all listed, click OK to confirm. Before you finish, don't forget to enter a name for this contact group, something like All Contacts or Company-wide, whatever makes sense for you. Once everything is configured, click Save and Close. Perfect. Now that your contact group is created, head back to your Mail menu. Click on the New Email button to start composing your message. Under the To field, you'll see a button that also says To. Click on that button. This will bring up a list of all your contacts and contact groups. Look for the contact group you just created, the one that contains all your contacts. Once you find it, double-click on it. This will add the entire group to your To field. Click OK to confirm. And that's it. Now all you have to do is add in the content of your email along with its subject line, and then hit send. Your message will be delivered to everyone in your contact list at once, saving you tons of time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.